Anytime you're applying for a remote job, you know it's very important, like extremely important for you to run a proper check or run a research about the company you're going to be applying the job. And in my last video, I promised you that I was going to be teaching you how to carry out a thorough research before you are going to be applying for any remote job. Okay? So here is the video. So when you are about applying for a company, the thing you should do first is write out the name of that company. Open your LinkedIn and type in the name of that company on the LinkedIn search bar. If that company is legit, it will come up. When it comes up, you will see the hiring manager. You will see some of the employees of the company. You will see the size of the company, if they are between 50 to 100 or 100 to 200. In fact, every information about the company will come up. So that is how you are going to know that that company is legit. And once you see those informations, congratulations, you can go ahead and apply for that job. Okay? So the second way to carry out a research of any company is by going to Google. You type in the name of that company. Once you type in the name of that company, the website of that company should come up. The professional design of the company will also come up. You also see the contact of the company, their email address, and most times their phone number. You also be seeing the location of the company. Okay, that is also how you will know that that company is legit. Congratulations, you have gotten yourself a legit company. You can go ahead and apply for that job. The third way to carry out this research is by going to Facebook and type in the company's name to check if they have a Facebook page. You can also go to Twitter and do the same thing, and also the LinkedIn that I've already mentioned. Another way you can carry out this research is by also going to Google and type in the name of that company, but this time you are going to be attaching the word scam to the name of that company that you have typed in the search bar. You can either attach scam or you attach fraud. Okay, and once you type in the name of the company attaching scam or fraud to it, there is going to be an analytics of that company coming out. Like Google is going to be explaining to you, giving you analytics about the company. If that company is a scam, it is going to be telling you the percentage of people that that company has scammed already, so you are not going to be falling prey to that particular company. Okay, so if it is legit, the analytics is going to tell you. If it is not legit, the analytics is also going to tell you. So this is the proper way you are going to be carrying out this research to find out if any company you are going to be applying for is either legit or a scam. Okay, so tell me, which of this method are you going to be trying out, or are you going to be trying out all of them? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be telling you where you are going to be getting a job as a United States resident. That means if you are a resident in United States, or if you are located in the United States, this video is for you, because I'm going to be giving you in depth of how you are going to be getting a remote job that is locally to you. But this job is specifically for those living in the United States. Because I've been called for an interview for a job that I applied on the site that was solely on remote. And that was a lead generation job that does not require my physical presence in the office. So if you're someone that loves this kind of topics that I share on my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell in order to be getting notified whenever I drop a new video. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also share this video to those who want to carry out a proper research before applying for any remote job. Okay, all right guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.